Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to make collage from your photos in iPhone without using third-party apps. So what you have to do, search shortcut, open it, go to gallery. From here search photo grid. And search it. From here tap on add shortcut. What you have to do, go to shortcuts. From here tap on these three dots. Now choose the photos which you want to add as collage. So let's say these both. Tap on add. And now tap on this share icon and tap on save image. Now it will get saved in your photos. Go to your photos and you'll find the collage of these two photos. So that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in next.